Ay, ay. Baby, let me tell you about the birds and the bees. I had to figure it out all by myself. There was no one to teach it to me. Eyes like sea foam, where it belongs. I'm bad at leaving well enough alone. Old addictions resurface, I thought I had grown. It gets lonely at the top of the world on my throne. Thrown to earth like a meteor ET, trying to find home in a world full of whores. Can't have peace without war. We need to restore the balance of power. No healthcare, cauterize the wound with gunpowder. Jesus was flipping tables in the church, so I'm flipping this powder. Catch me in blight in the kitchen like schnitzel and chowder. Rada rada rah. Watch me in the blood between your legs. Let me wait in the waters of your pleasure. Ay. Lock that booty up like it's treasure. Wrap a body up like Dexter. Perky crawling in my skin. I relate to Chester. I might act funny like a jester, but I promise you I can switch up Dr. Jekyll. Watch them shots with Dr. Pepper. My voice is grating cause I'm trying to get to the cheddar. Sipping no water, pop a bottle and bro might act up like a toddler. We surreal alcoholics, but that's the least of our problems. I'm just tending to my garden.